Hi guys and welcome back. Now we have decapped, deprimed the shells, resized them and expanded their necks, and as you can see they're waiting for us here, just ready to be filled. But first we need to adjust the powder measure. I have placed in here some powder, and this is not the usual one, but it's so-called pistol rotor, which is much more accurate for pistol charges and revolver, of course, than the usual Hornady one. This is around $50 or so, so I suggest you get one because it's accurate to 0.01 grain, which is what we need. So the first order of business is to simply place the scale here and measure. So let's see that it's 0, 0. Wait a bit until it starts. Okay. So what we want to do now is to adjust. We need a charge of 2.4 grains. So let us see how much is giving out now. Ooh, 4. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna simply tighten this up, because this is a little chamber. The tighter it is, the smaller the capacity of the chamber. And it's measured by volume, but you will have to readjust it each time. This thing you simply put back on the top of the powder measure, and until we find the right charge, then we can top it off. Be careful that each time it has to be zeroed, otherwise you won't get the correct reading. So let us see now with the adjusted scale. 2.9, still a bit too much. Let's give it another twist. .7, still a bit too much. Another twist. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is that the scale is gone to 0 while you do this, because otherwise it will give you a false reading, and then you can overfill your cartridge, which may be dangerous. And note that also underfilling the cartridge, the charge, is also a very dangerous prospect. We're almost there, but now it's too much. Let's unscrew it a bit. Usually the charges are defined precisely as 2.4, but you could think of it as an interval, since, for example, if you want to get something in between 2.4, this is kind of weird. Let's repeat that measurement before we go further. Since exactly 2.4 would be something hard to pinpoint, so you can say that you will accept everything from 2.4 to 2.5. And now we're pretty good. This is what we need.